Okay, so welcome my friends. Let's talk about how you can use a share intent. So as you can see out here, I'm using here a share intent, and when you type a text inside edit text, and after this when you click on a button, okay, it will show you where you can share this text. The application that supported the action underscore send action intents. So you can see out here, this is an application where I'm going to share my text, and when I try to select the Gmail, you can see the text, the shared text in the compose box. So you can see out here, this is the text that actually we shared, and let's try and let's see how we can create this type of application. Okay friends, to create this application, my friend, I need to design it. Okay, I need to design my layout in a proper way. So this is a really it's a time consuming. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to design it first, then I will show you how what are the components required and how you can use an intent to perform a sharing intent. So let's do it. Okay, so let me explain the coding part. This is very simple, my friend. Here in this example, I have taken here one edit text and one button. So you can see out here, the ID of this edit text is edit text type, and the button ID is button share. So we need to share a text whenever you click on a button. So here, that's why I define an on-click behavior. So in on-click behavior, you can create this particular method by selecting Alt-Enter, and you will have this particular method available here. And since we need to collect the string that we're usually going to type as an input in edit text, so that's why here I have created an object of edit text. Now you can see out here in this, this is an object reference variable. So this is an actual object. Now when user click on this button, this method is going to be invoked. And inside this method, what exactly I have done, I've collected the value from edit text by calling a method named getText.toString, and this is my string that I has collected. Now you can use a very simple intent. To share a text, you can use an object of intent by calling a method named setAction. So there are very ready-made action strings defined inside an intent. You can press a command button or a control button from Windows and click on this particular link. So here you will find a lot of actions that actually defined inside this intent class. And one of the one of the action that I'm using here, intent.action. And since we are sharing a text, so we need to set a type that says, okay, this is going to be plain and text. Now you can use the put extra, and you can define a key as extract text. So whichever application use this extra text to retrieve the value of this text, okay, that application can share this text. And here we are sending a value, we are passing a value that is actually a string. And very simple, my friend, you can invoke a start activity and just pass an intent here. So that's why, my friend, when you run your application, you will have when you run this application and when you click on share, you will see in this particular emulator we are having two applications by which we can share this text. In your actual device, you may have more than one application, like you may have a WhatsApp, you may have a Facebook, you may have a Twitter, you may have a Gmail, and more other applications that can support the share text. So it's very simple, my friend. I can use this share with Gmail just once, and you can see out here, this is the text that I'm going to share. And now you can type a Gmail where exactly you want to send this particular message, and this is how you can use share intent in your application. So thanks for watching this tutorial, my friend, and next we will talk about what exactly a Gradle. Okay, so we have a concept of Gradle here, so we will talk about the Gradle. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.